Hi guys, welcome to Digital Investment YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna demonstrate about my portfolio holding. So a little bit background of me. I am Kevin Ramachavagis. I'm basically showcasing this so that I could get a potential investor for my hedge fund which I wanna start. It's one of my biggest dream. I am not a regular guy from a Wall Street, not a regular guy. I just doing a regular 9 to 5 job as an SAP consultant. Now our dream is starting my hedge fund. I learned everything by my own. Now I'm updating this onto my YouTube channel. Okay, you guys can laugh at me. Oh, I don't care. But I'm confident that I can make this. I can get a potential hedge investor to invest in me, and I'm 100% confident. So just a bit background on me. I started investing about a year ago. I'm using my own salary. Whatever I had, I try to invest in me. Right now, a portfolio worth. Right now, I have a portfolio worth 1 lakh. Right now, I have a portfolio worth 1 lakh 860. Right. So these are my investments. So basically, what I do is I don't do shorts yet. I just do longs. My hedge of blue chip. I hedge my high risk investment stocks with my blue chip stocks. Okay, and I buy a ETF. I have other invested in bonds as well. Few bonds so that I can earn. Okay, so my criteria for investment is a good balance sheet, increasing revenue. Sometimes here and there revenue could be bad, but in that case I'm trusting in the company more than the actual fundamentals. Yeah, in one case you can call it a gambling. Okay, so that's how my investment is. For example, JTL and Jindal Saw. I'm confident in India's manufacturing sector. I'm 100% confident that India will do great in its manufacturing sector. So that's why I've invested it. ITC has been crashing a lot, but considering its market share in cigarette, and it's a wheat business is good. RIL investment, if India does become a you know, a $10 trillion economy, there will be one a company which will be $1 trillion economy, and I think that would be RIL. SBI, I trust in this bank. The bank is good. It's very fairly undervalued. Yeah, Bell. This is the Bell. Bharat Electronics. This stock I don't think I need an introduction. You know, I know this stock will do great in future. I know it's overvalued, but I'm trusting its company more than the price of the stock, and it has got a great balance sheet. Wipro, Wipro, this is a mistake I did. I shouldn't have invested in the company, but I am waiting for a good price to exit in this company. So let's check a Geo Financial Service. I am trusting BlackRock. I am BlackRock. Now, BlackRock being one of the biggest asset management company in the world with Geo. That's why I'm invested in Geo. I'm pretty sure this will give me a good return in future. This could be India's next this could be Palantir of India, and this could become the India's Palantir. Uh, and that's why I invested in Reliance Industry. Reliance Industry, the kind of connection which Mr. Ambani has with Rothschild family, you know, with Rothschild family, with everyone. I know RIL will do great in the future. Okay, retail industry. I know the fundamentals is not matching. I'll just show you. Even the revenue isn't matching to that extent. Revenue isn't that much matching. But I'm still, that's why I'm not making any more investment. The revenue has been going up and then down. So with the profits, but you know, this is a moat advantage in, it has a moat advantage in steel pipe and electric welded pipe. So that's why I'm gonna make more in it. I'm gonna keep holding it, but I won't add any longer in it. what I'm gonna be adding more is I already started adding. I'm gonna be adding more in the Jindal Saw. I'm gonna be adding more in Jindal. So yeah, I'm gonna be add. When looking at this fundamental, you can see it's not that bad, but I trust in the company. Current ratio, everything. But right now that revenue isn't revenue is not that going that great. Revenue isn't going that great. But I trust in the company's manager if India wants to be the manufacturing sector. So I think this could be some of the good investments to make. You know, it's in the you know it has world's third largest producer of course. That's why I'm gonna be making a few more investment in this company. And I'm a pure fundamental based investor. I'll check all the fundamentals then only invest. Few investments I have made bad because I didn't know that much. I was just trying my luck. But I'm here to show you my bad investment and good. And second thing is most of my holdings are in losses. Most of my holdings are in losses. Very few profit. At one point, I was very close to beating Nifty. I was very close to beat Nifty, but it couldn't happen. So it was sad. Was very close to the Nifty and I've lost all my returns. I was up about 10k total returns, but I'm sad. Okay, now I know basically where to enter, where to exit. Okay, Marks and Pharma. This stock it could be my new. Uh, no, I entered it at wrong time, but considering I started to buy the dip a lot more, I trust in its management. It's OTC model of pharmaceutical. It has business all over the world. Like it's supplying its UK, US, etc. and European market has good presence. So I'm trusting in this. Grovel and where it has a market leading this one. So I'm gonna be making some investments in. Will as well. Second, I just open that. No, this is like I noticed this stock to. Uh, I was using the screener and I noticed this stock, so I'm gonna be buying a lot more. I'm gonna be putting some orders in for Goal and Wave around like this, around like this area. I'm gonna be putting some orders in, and here. So I'm gonna be placing few orders for Goal and Wave. I'm gonna be placing a few orders in this gold and red. You know, yeah. Okay. The next stock I'm gonna be investing. I already told about Jindal Saw. PRS International. This is a visa processing and it has strong process. It has a very good motor on, and I entered it at a right price. So I'm going to be buying more at these levels in for BLS International. I know if you can see from a portfolio, I haven't entered at the right time. Like I haven't entered at the right time in any of my stocks. But I didn't know. I was just trying in my luck. Now I came to know like where to enter. I'm gonna be following more like an order block. So I'm gonna be placing my agenda so that I could see a strong order block here. So I'm gonna be strong. Considering how the world economy is doing. Let me tell you something. What uh, you know, let me be honest with you all. What you know, you're supposed to invest when the market is. Sorry, what I'm doing. Just apologies. You're supposed to be investing. When markets down bad. Placing this and taking more risk. I'm gonna be placing 13 or 14, don't know that 13 stock at this levels. You know. and ITC I'm gonna be entering more at these levels. ITC I'm gonna be entering more at these levels here. I'm gonna place an order. If it's gonna crash, I'm gonna be placing a more at all these areas. And next stock I'm gonna be putting more is DAS International Services. Now I'm gonna be placing another. I'm gonna be buying 5 more stocks at these levels. I'm gonna buy 5 more stocks at this order block. It's coming to India. Like, yeah. No, I like what about this 4 hour time frame is. I could see the price. I'm gonna be placing a few buy orders. I'm gonna be placing a few buy orders here. I'm gonna be placing a few buy orders here. Okay. Yeah, so these are the kind of investment I'm gonna be making more at. Since I already added, so I'm gonna be buying more at. So yeah, these are the few of the orders I have. These are the few of the orders I have. Okay, so I can see I already exited. I entered some orders already got entered. Today's orders some got entered already. So these are the few of the open orders. This one got placed. ITC just got placed today. Yeah, that's it about me. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe the video and subscribe. Okay, this is good. I will, even if I lose my job, I'm gonna show you. Even if I have no money, all right. I do have money. I have few money coming in. I'm gonna upload the video daily for you guys. I'm gonna upload my video daily for you guys so that you know you can learn something from me. So basically, I'm searching for some investors, good investors. I'm gonna be uploading daily just to show my worth of my current portfolio. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Digital Investments.